watching my video. My name is Arusak. Welcome to my channel. I am going to do a makeup tutorial on this look that I created. It's actually in collaboration with Ranelle Navarro. She is really awesome. So I'm going to quickly show a quick little footage of what she created, and her information will be linked down below. So make sure to check out her video after you finish checking out mine. And we kind of did more of like a festive kind of colorful look since spring is starting, and there are some holidays that are coming around or that have passed, so we wanted to get a little fun and creative with our colors. But let me quickly show you that video.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast, all tied up.
Alright guys, so if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, hit that red button that says subscribe on it, and then also make sure to hit that bell button if you do want to get notified every time I have new videos, and you will become part of the notification squad. Yay! It's pretty awesome. So thank you again for watching. Please make sure to like the video if you do like this look, or if you do like makeup tutorials, and then also leave a comment down below. Let me know if there's something you want me to create or try or review. And then also, if you do have a YouTube channel, please make sure to link it down below. I love supporting other YouTubers, and I think it's very important that we support each other. That way we can grow, and I'm all for it. So make sure to link your information down below as well. But again, thank you for watching, and let's roll the footage so you can see how I created this makeup look. All right, love you guys. So since we're gonna play with a lot of colors today, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some shadow shields. These are the ones that I bought off of Amazon, but you can get any sort of shadow shields. And it just comes in a little package like this. You can also use tape as well. I don't have any tape. So I've already put on my foundation, blush, primer, all that jazz, and bronzer. So now it's just time for the shadows.
Like a captive, I want you. Used to pay
Let's get the hair out of my face. We'll use some pretty fancy little ears since it is kind of like a party theme. Let's go ahead and use my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. And I'm just going to use my hands.
standing on rainbows, playing it cool.
Just gently, just kind of like gently rubbing it in. And then now I'm going to want to set the primer. I'm just going to use a translucent powder. I'm just going to end up using my Bare Minerals Bare Pro. It's kind of like a foundation powder, but it'll do the trick. Just so it's like a neutral base. And you can use any fluffy brush to apply it. So now that that's done, let's add a transition color. So I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use this kind of a goldy yellow shade right here. And you can use any sort of fluffy brush, that'll do. I'm just going to use one of my fluffy brushes. This is by, what is it by? Oh, Moda Pro. Just swirling it around. And I'm going to get messy with this because this is like a party theme. So we're going to go with colors and have fun. Definitely way outside of my norm. So let's have fun. And I like having the shadow shields there because I don't have to worry about not getting messy on like the edge.
So won't you please?
Cool. So now we're yellow. And what this is kind of like my color changer. I usually change it out every couple times, but I'm just gonna run it through just so it cleans off the shadow. Since we're doing more of like a festival themed look, I'm going to go into my Aftershock palette, which is by Bad Habit. You can order this on the Hush app, and I have used it a few times. The shadows are really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and use that yellow. We'll do the yellow, kind of like run it around. It's the color Electronica. These shadows are very powdery. You could see, whoo. But they are extremely pigmented, which is really nice.
You're making me strong.
let's go into a little bit of like the pink shades. I'm gonna try to use maybe like some teals and some pinks and some blues. Go into this pink shade, Sensation, which is right there. I'm gonna go kind of in the crease as well, a little bit lower than where that yellow is, but still in that crease area. I'm just building it up. Now I'm gonna go into this Tingle color, and I'm gonna bring it a little bit lower than where I put that color, just to kind of darken up that pink. So you're kind of gonna go on the lid, I guess. We're kind of like a sunset, you know, where we're going darker into lighter. Again, just changing the color. I'm gonna go in with the teal on the inside part. For the teal, I'm gonna go ahead and wet it, just because I think it's gonna come out a lot better, the shadows, when if I wet it. I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm gonna use just a small brush. Any sort of small brush will do. And let's go ahead and just kind of delve in. It's this color Drop right here. Go ahead. Now that we have the blue there, let's go ahead and add a little bit of the darker color towards the edge. I'm going to also use this to just kind of change the color. Let's go ahead and use, just so we're using this palette, let's go ahead and use this Light Show color right here. I'm also going to wet it. And we'll put that on the outer. I'm going to use the shadow shield so that it's easy to kind of like line underneath my eyes as well with the dark color. So I can connect it to that wing. And I did the outer with the darker color, and I'm going to go back into that lighter teal color and do that for like the inner part. Just going to blend where it connects a little bit. Just kind of delved back into that teal color, and I'm going to just put it lightly over the middle and just try to blend it so that it's not as harsh, that transition. So it's nice and smooth. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this blue new Morphe gel liner that I picked up. It's a really pretty blue, and it's in the color Vitamin C. So this is what it looks like. It seems pretty cool. I've never used it, so this is the first time that I'm going to use it. I'm just going to use any angled brush, and we shall see how it works.
Finding real love, gotta know where to look. Time moves fast, and I won't know.
What I'm gonna do really quickly is I just want to blend out the transition from like the crease and a little bit higher. So I'm going to use a brush that doesn't have any powder on it or any eyeshadow on it, just to kind of help smooth that along. I'm going to use this brush, which is clean. I didn't use it. And I'm just going to start from the top, since it's like the lighter colors, just kind of blending it so that everything kind of like smoothly transitions. And then I'll go down a little bit into these darker shadows, just a little bit lightly, just to kind of blend. So lastly, I'm going to put some highlighter under my brow bone and then also in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette, which is this beautiful palette, and I'm going to end up using a combination of these two shades. Just going to lightly put it on the top. I'm going to blend that out too so that it doesn't look so
felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please
Go ahead and use this big fluffy brush, just kind of blending it. It's gonna take away some of that shadow, but it's okay, I don't mind. So let's go ahead and remove the shadow shield. Okay, so let's go ahead and put some mascara on. So I'm gonna add a little bit of blue mascara on the bottom. This is by YSL and it's in the color Vinyl Couture. I love this color. And I'm gonna also use the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara on my top lashes. So let's start off with the bottom. Oh no, let's start off with the top.
you're making me strong.
I know I say this in my other videos, but if you're new, I can't use falsies. I have issues with reactions to them. So yeah, kind of sucks.
Making me strong.
And then I'm going to go ahead and use the YSL again on the bottom. I love this color. Look at that. It's like so vibrant and blue. I usually use this when I go to the Chargers games. This is my go-to for my mascara. Since we're into the blue theme, I'm going to go ahead just so it matches the waterline. I'm going to use this Lancome eyeliner and it's in the color Sapphire. I love this. This is definitely one of my favorites and it lasts a long time. I also use this when I go to the football games. I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlighter since I didn't add that on my face just to give this that full party glow. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. This is one of my favorites. I've been using it ever since I got it. It is so pretty, but yeah. I have a video on it if you do want to see it. I'll make sure to link it down below, but I'm just gonna rub this brush through. This is a Crown Brush Deluxe Highlighting Fan Brush. I'm just gonna put it on the high points of my cheek. And since this is a festival look, we can go ham on it. But of course, you put as much as you feel comfortable doing. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do my lips. I always forget that. But I'm going to go more for like a neutral color because I don't want it to like overpower the look that I have going for my eyes. So I'm just going to use this Ulta Automatic Lip Liner in the color Fresh, I believe. Is it the color? Yeah, I think it's the color Fresh. It's one of my favorites. And then I'm going to use this Laura Geller 50 Kisses in the color Ravishing Rose.
What can I do to make you think of me?
So that is the look I created. Definitely let me know if you're planning to recreate it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I love you guys lots. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. And let me know down below if there's anything else you'd like me to check out or try to review or any kind of a look that you want me to recreate as well. Alright, love you guys. Bye!